Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the current C, partition and free space. This tells you what approach fits. Next, back up critical files to an external drive or cloud and verify the copy. Do not skip this. Once done, choose your path. Resize existing partitions, add a new SSD or HDD, and migrate the OS or clean install Windows to a larger disk. I'll show you how to check tools and prepare a bootable installer so you can proceed safely and quickly. You now perform the core actions. If resizing, use disk management or a trusted partition tool. Shrink the neighbor partition first, then extend C. That avoids data loss. If adding a drive, clone the system using reliable cloning software and confirm partition alignment and GPT/MBR compatibility. If you opt for a clean install, make a bootable USB, set BIOS or UEFI to boot from USB, and install Windows to the target disk. Make sure drivers are ready to install after the first boot. You finish by booting into Windows and verifying that C reflects the new capacity and correct free space. Open Disk Management to inspect partition layout. Then reinstall any drivers or applications that lost settings and selectively restore your backed up files. Make sure System Restore and backups are re-enabled. If something goes wrong and Windows fails to boot, use the Repair USB to run Startup Repair, check SATA or PCIe connections, and, if cloning, ensure the clone disk was set as the active or primary boot device.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.